Jumping right into this video, this is the hair I will be using today for my box braids. It's pre-stretched hair in 24 inches and it comes with three parts, parted hair ready. Pre-stretched hair is really good to use because you don't really have to try to take the hair apart and cut it in half and try to make it even. It's already parted that way for you. So this is the hair I'm using, and I'm going to be using 2 packs of this. And these are the 3 hair products that I will be using as well. I'm going to be using jam, and then I'm going to be using the Blue Magic grease for my ends of my hair, and then I'm going to be using the edge wax for the top of my hair. I originally was going to try to do knotless braids, but it didn't work out. This was the way I parted the hair to try the knotless braids, and I didn't record me trying to do it, but it was a fail. So this is the hair, and I'm going to take these 4 pieces and add them into one for a box braid. I'm starting off with fresh hair. I did have 2 braids in, but I took it out and combed my hair, and this is what it's looking like. I did deep condition and stuff the day before, and now I'm to get ready to prep and part my hair for my braids.
Try and break me, 'cause nothing can erase me. I must crush it in myself, I trust.
I just wanted to show you guys, this is the first parting that I did in the back. This is basically how I part my hair when I do my box braids or my braids period. I use 2 mirrors, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, and this is basically my little hack. So this is something new that I'm doing that I don't really do, well, I've never really done before when I do my box braids. To make it easier for me, I'm just going to part throughout my whole head first and just do twists with my boxes. And this is all of the boxes and the twists, and then it'll just make it easier for me to braid my hair, and I can just braid it and either use the mirrors or not use the mirrors because it's already parted, so this makes it easier for me to do. And as you can see, I already did 4 braids in the back. So now I'm just going to take my hair, all the twists, and I'm going to put it up in a bun, and then I'm just going to go one by one and take the twists out and start braiding my hair. For the back and middle of my hair, I didn't really show or record me braiding it. Before I do any of my boxes, this is what I'm going to be doing, detangling first, because the ends of my hair are more of the rougher side. Here's a look at 2 of the rows that I finished so far. As you can see, my braids are nice and neat. They're tight, but they're not like crazy super tight. Okay, so I braided, I braided most of my hair. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. This is the back. I braided most of my hair. This is what it's looking like in the back. Ooh, that hurts. This is what the back looks like. So I'm basically I'm done with my hair. No, I'm not, I'm lying. I have this much on the top to do. So I might just do like a quick speedy video of me just doing the rest of my hair. I'm gonna finish this up. I was gonna try to do it later on today because it's like after 2 in the morning right now. I started my hair late, but I'm just gonna finish it and then go to sleep because I don't want to have to make this into like half a day and the next day thing. So, and I'll come back with the finished results.
nothing can erase me. I must crush it in myself, I trust. Well, if you holler, I'm in Hollywood, honey. When I'm done, when I bounce to the next damn one. I roll. I'm a lion in my prime, on my own. Maybe I'll kick it with you later. Maybe I'll pick up to you later. Maybe I'm rolling solo, I'm tethered to no one. Watch as I take on the world. Maybe I'll kick it with you later. Maybe I'll pick up to you later. Maybe I'm rolling solo, I'm tethered to no one. Watch as I take on the world. I'm ready to roll. You're not checking my phone. I watch you work, watch you throw. See me rise, see me grow. Watch me do it on my own. I'm ready to roll. I'm not checking my phone. I watch you work, watch you throw. See me rise, see me grow. Watch me do it on my own. I cruise, I roll. Watch as I take on the world. I cruise, I roll. Watch as I take on the world. I cruise, I roll. Watch as I take on the world. I cruise,
Okay, so I'm finally done with my hair. This is the final look. I'm not gonna dip my hair in hot water because it's like so late. I'm really tired. But this is what my hair looks like right now. I'm just get a closer look. Don't mind my eyes, like I'm so tired. I like bloodshot red. But this is my hair. Yeah. This is 24 inches, so it kind of stops like right here. It stops right there. Yeah, this is what my hair is gonna look like for the next 2 weeks. Happy, so I don't have to do anything with it. But I'm really tired now, so I'm going to go to bed. So this is the next day. This is my hair. I still didn't dip the ends, but I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already. Until next time.